In the intricate labyrinth of business taxes, 5 simple steps light the way. First, meticulously organize your financial records. Precision here not only ensures accurate tax reporting but also maximizes your deductions. Step 2 dives into understanding your specific tax obligations. Whether it's Schedule C for sole proprietorships or Form 1065 for partnerships, the devil is truly in the details. Step 3 is about using the correct tax forms for your business structure. The right form is like the right key, it opens the door with ease. Step 4, don't forget to seize opportunities for deductions and credits. They're your secret weapon to reduce taxable income. Finally, Step 5, file and pay your taxes on time. Embrace technology for a smoother, more accurate filing process. Research underscores the importance of each step. Small businesses that follow these steps not only stay compliant but also thrive. So navigate the tax maze with confidence and remember, in the world of business taxes, knowledge is power,